Hi guys, as you know, we're on the Boatyard in Faro. This is Navapegos, or better known as Bruce's yard. I just thought I'd give you a wee idea of what a day in the life of being in the Boatyard's like. So, as you can see, no matter what you do, it's climb up a set of ladders, and the next job you do in the morning is any water that you've collected over the day, you take and get emptied. So just should give you a wee idea of what it's like. This is very much kind of rough and ready boatyard. This is not somewhere to come if you're kind of posh or but if you're a bit affluent. This is more designed for people like me who's every penny's a prisoner. Some nice boats in here, don't get me wrong. There's some really lovely boats. But this is actually one of the cheapest yards in Faro, and it's quite good because you can actually have your morning. Yeah, it's quite good because you can actually live aboard and while you're working on the boat, and they don't insist that you have other people working. This is where, if you have parcels sent, the parcels end up and a washing machine. So you do actually have a washing machine for €4 for a quick wash, and this is about as good as it gets. Through into the bathrooms. This is the gents bathrooms. There's that. There's a mirror. There's a nice mirror. As I say, this is just basically it's a working boatyard. This is fantastic facilities. This is hot and cold running water. The water is hot during the summer and cold during the winter. And one toilet. The sinks, you have to be prepared to shower in cold water. You only have cold water at the sinks. Yeah, it's nothing exciting. But this is where we have to come for our showers. Obviously we can't shower on the boat. And where we wash and where we come for the toilets. You can see the ladies' toilets are a little bit better. Yes, they try to brighten up. But this is the ladies from the boatyard. This isn't the staff. They've got different plants and things like that in their bathroom. So that's really nice. Like I say, there's some really nice boats in here. It's not a bad yard really. You've got your cranes. They've got two cranes flushing in and out, and it's a very safe yard. Everything goes into a cradle, and you're strapped down. There's bolts into the ground, so everything is strapped down. So it's a very safe yard to be in if there's any foul weather coming through. This is the boat lift area, which you can see is low tide at the moment. This is dredged, but you really only come up here during high water, as you can see why. This is the channel that you have to navigate, because this is all drying. Okay, so good points to this yard is you can live aboard while you're working on your boat. It's one of the cheapest yards around this area. It's very safe and secure as they fasten your boat down. It's always in a cradle. The people are quite nice, and the guy for Fernando, the guy the guy who runs the Boatyard, it's known as Boatyard, but the guy kind of inherited the name Bruce, but his name's actually Fernando. He actually does metalwork, so you can, if you need any stainless steel metalwork made, he can help you out with that. It's very, very handy for Faro Airport. You can see the planes. Bad points. If you bring your car in, don't expect to take it out on the weekend. The big gates are closed and you just don't get your car out again. If your work you're going to do is going to be power hungry, make sure you have your own power, because you're not allowed an awful lot of power in here, and if you use too much, like yesterday someone was using power and they just turned the power off, so it was a full day yesterday without any power at all. The power's only on from 9 o'clock in the morning till about 10 at night. You can't run heaters, you can't run air conditioners, anything like that on a boat. But it's very, very handy for the train station. It's only a 10-minute walk out here. It's handy for shopping, which again is 10 minutes in the opposite direction. Everything you really want from a boatyard is here. It's the facilities, like I say, leave a little bit to be desired, but it's just a boatyard. What do you think?
I love it.
We've both been here a while. We had a lift out just last year. We're getting a few jobs done.
It'd be nice to have a proper hot shower, but never mind.
It would be, wouldn't it?
Ain't got it, so.
Yeah. So, but we're waiting on our prop shafts coming back. Fernando's going to make us a new prop shaft, so we're waiting on that coming back, and we'll get that in. Hopefully we'll be back in the water in January and we'll carry our sails. Anyway, don't forget, please, this is a new channel that we've just started. We've split our channel away, so like and subscribe. It'll help us immensely and it doesn't cost you anything. Thanks. So talk to you again. Bye.